Welcome back to Transcendental Harmony, where we delve into the depths of spirituality, metaphysical insights, and our living a balanced life. I'm your host, Darren. In today's episode, we'll delve into the intriguing concept of past lives and their influence on present relationships. The concept of past lives suggests that our souls have lived multiple lifetimes before our current one, carrying experiences, lessons, and even unresolved issues from those lives into the present. These past life connections can significantly impact our current relationships, influencing our interactions, emotions, and karmic bonds. Past lives reflect the belief that our souls undergo multiple incarnations, each lifetime offering unique experiences, lessons, and opportunities to accumulate wisdom and spiritual growth. Reincarnation is the process by which the soul is reborn into a new body after physical death, continuing its journey of evolution across time and space. Karma is a universal law of cause and effect, where the choices and actions made in previous lifetimes shape the circumstances and challenges of the present and future. Karmic relationships are soul connections formed to balance energetic debits, resolve unfinished business, or learn specific lessons carried over from past lives. These relationships often feel intense, familiar, or transformative, guiding us toward healing and growth. Instant recognition is a strong sense of familiarity or feeling that you have known someone before, despite meeting them for the first time in this lifetime. That's called deja vu. A deep intuition, feeling of connection or recognition with someone, as if your souls have shared history. This is intuitive knowing. Intense emotions are strong reactions. Experiencing intense emotions, whether positive or negative, towards someone without a clear reason in the present. Sometimes we feel inexplicably drawn or repelled by somebody, indicating unresolved issues or bonds from past lives. Encountering similar relationship dynamics or challenges with different people, suggesting a pattern carried over from past lives, is repetitive dynamics. Facing ongoing conflicts or unresolved issues that seem to persist despite efforts to address them may deal with unresolved issues. The belief that souls make agreements before incarnation to meet and interact with specific individuals, facilitate mutual growth and learning, is a pre-birth agreement. Soul contracts that often involve significant relationships such as family, friends, romantic partners, and even adversaries are purposeful connections. Learning and growth. Past life connections provide opportunities to learn valuable lessons and grow spiritually. They often involve overcoming challenges, resolving conflicts, and healing old wounds. Relationships influenced by past lives may involve balancing karma, where individuals work to resolve past actions and create harmony. Past life connections often result in deep emotional bonds that transcend time and space. These bonds can influence feelings of love, loyalty, and attachment. The energy and vibration of past life connections can impact the dynamics of present relationships, affecting interactions and emotional responses. Past life regression is a therapeutic technique that uses hypnosis or guided meditation to access memories and experiences from past lives. By exploring past life memories, individuals can gain insights into current relationship dynamics, release unresolved emotions, and heal old wounds. Practice guided meditations focused on the past life exploration and healing. Visualize meeting and resolving issues with individuals from past lives. Use visualization techniques to clear and balance the energy associated with past life connections, promoting healing and harmony. Communicate with the souls of individuals from past lives through meditation, journaling, or intuitive dialogue. Seek to understand and resolve any remaining issues. Rewriting contracts. Visualize and set the intention to rewrite and release old soul contracts that no longer serve your highest good. Create new agreements based on love and respect and mutual growth. practice forgiveness and compassion for yourself and others involved in past life connections. Release any feelings of blame, guilt, resentment. Perform healing rituals such as burning written intentions or using crystals to release past life influences and promote emotional and energetic healing. Seek support from experienced past life therapists or practitioners who can guide you through regression and healing processes. Energy healers work with energy. Working with an energy healer can help balance and harmonize the energetic imprints of past life connections. Take a breath. Picture someone whose presence feels familiar, yet complex. Feel the energy between you. Old, layered, alive. Whisper from your heart, I see you. I honor our journey. I release what no longer serves. Let the connection soften. Let healing begin. Here's a situation. You experience ongoing conflict with a family member despite your efforts to resolve it. Here's an approach to try. Use past life regression to explore the root of the conflict in previous lifetimes, gaining insights into the karmic lessons involved, and practice forgiveness and compassion to heal the relationship. Releasing unresolved emotions. You feel intense, unexplained emotions, sadness, or fear when interacting with a close friend. Practice guided meditation to access past life memories involving the friend. Acknowledge and release the unresolved emotions and set the intention to create harmonious connections in the present. Balancing karmic debit. You notice a pattern of unbalanced giving and receiving in your romantic relationships. Try to reflect on potential past life influences and practice energy clearing techniques. Set new intentions for balance, mutually supportive relationships, and take aligned actions to reinforce this intention. The influence of past lives on present relationships can provide valuable insights into the dynamics and challenges we encounter with others. By understanding and healing past life connections, individuals can transform the relationships, promote emotional and energetic balance, and align with their highest purpose. Through practices such as past life regression, meditation, visualization, and karmic healing, we can navigate the impact of past lives on the present journey, fostering growth, harmony, and meaningful connections. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of influences of past lives on present relationships. Don't forget to share, subscribe, stay connected, and follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, namaste.